So a lot of people from my channel have been sending me messages saying how most of the time they start a particular business and they literally find out that that particular business ends up to be a scam. That's why I'm making this video, because I've been doing business for over 3 years now and I know what a business that is going to grow looks like, a business that's not a scam looks like. So today we're going to be talking about the difference between a legitimate business and a scam business. Let's get straight into it. Now, one thing that you used to know, in fact, we'll just do what's an opposite. So I'll just write it down here and I'll allow you to guess what the opposite is. A scam business is a business that has an unrealistic return. Most times, people enter some opportunities. No, there's a difference between a business and an opportunity. Okay, most opportunities bring unrealistic returns, but most businesses bring steady return, and they're usually very realistic. So most times, people like to, how would I put it now? People like to disguise scams as opportunities, right? Because of how big the return is. So what do you guys think is the opposite? A legit business is always going to give you a realistic return. And how do you know a return is realistic? It is backed by data. So there's a guy that sent me a message one time and he said that he has made a particular amount of money before on the internet, but he finds it difficult to make it again. That was because what he was in was an opportunity, not a business. A business has a repeated process that you can do over and over again and make repeated income over time. So he probably jumped on an opportunity. It might not even be a scam. He probably jumped on an opportunity, made money once, and thought that he could do it again and make more money from it. No, you don't get that with opportunities. Opportunities are short-lived. Businesses are designed to stay long. In fact, businesses are designed to stay longer than you would actually live. That's why you have some of the biggest businesses like Ford Motors. Henry Ford has died many years ago. Lamborghini is actually somebody, in case you never knew. That's somebody's last name. You know. And number two, in a scam business, there is no clear. So let me just number this. There is no clear work. When they tell you, oh, come and bring this, come and bring this, come and bring this, there's no clear work. Now, when I say there's no clear work, I don't mean you necessarily have to do any work. Something has to work. Remember in the video I shared about talking about passive income, I told you that in passive income, it's not entirely passive. Either your money works or people work in order for you to make passive income. So something has to work. So if there is no work done, remember, I told you, work done. If work done is equals to zero, force is equals to zero, which means that you don't make any money at all. All right. So if there is no clear work, please run. Okay. If there is no clear work, run for it. Ask if Ben says you're going to make $10 million. Ask him that, okay, what am I going to be doing to make that 10 million? If he cannot answer you, you know it's a scam. Now, most legit businesses, there's going to be a skill attached to it. So for instance, here they'll tell you you can make money no matter who you are. Nah, that's rubbish. That's rubbish. Okay, you have to be skilled to run a business. All right, you have to be skilled to run a business. But here they're going to tell you that, oh, you're going to make money no matter who you are. If you hear that kind of thing, please just know that you're entering a scam. And because most scams are mostly related to opportunities that we find around, so most scams are usually short term, don't last very long. All right, but when it comes to a business, I told you a business can last longer than you. They are usually long term. So when you see the next ad, or you see the next message, or you see the next advertisement of something anywhere, ask yourself this question: the returns they are promising me, is it realistic? Is there a clear work I have to do in order for me to achieve these particular goals? Is there a skill I have to learn in order for me to run this particular business? And how long can I run this business for? If you keep these 4 things in mind, many times than not, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to get scammed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to share and like, share with your friends, and share with anybody that you feel will be interested in this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.